Alright, today we're going to do a video of our 19 by 60 Milltronics CNC manual tool room lathe. It's a model ML18. It's serial number 9264. It's new in 2006. It has a Centurion 7 control, an 8-position automatic turret. The machine also has an 8-inch 3-jaw chuck, as you can see here on the floor. It's not mounted to the machine currently. You can manually jog through here with your hand wheels. Use it as a manual lathe. You can jog with your joystick. More consistent feed rate. We'll switch back over to this side. We're going to do a tool change here on the turret. Do another one. And there's your automatic turret. And also show you we can run the spindle over here. That's 150 RPM. That's 600 RPM. The max is 2,500 RPM on the spindle. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 1,500. Again, max RPM 2,500. You can see the control. This is a new control, upgraded from Milltronics. See that? And then I'm also just going to show you the tailstock. Spins very easily, moves freely. It is a tow-along type with the bed. The machine also comes with a steady rest, it's a coolant system, and a follow rest there in the coolant pan. Again, assorted chuck guards and other stuff that comes with the machine. That concludes our video. Thank you.